guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever vlog. My name is Melia and I'm super excited because I'm building a home that I started in May and it's about to be done in January and I'm ready to just decorate it. I am so excited that I've decided, since I'm staying at my mom's for 20 days and this is her room, so I'm ready to start decorating so badly that I've decided to decorate my mom's living room. I thought it was a great opportunity because she doesn't have very many things. She just switched out a red couch for our tan couch and I really love just to kind of change that happen there. So I'm ready to add something else that fits her style. So I'm ready to go and get started. We first got to clean all the packages and all the things that I brought over the last few weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. So we had to stop decorating my mom's house because she wanted to clean my apartment that I'm leaving. And of course I didn't bring any clothes that were like warm with me. So I found this in my bag that is left in my apartment. So this is my cold weather in Texas while moving outfit of the day. Got the socks. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty cute, right? So it's finally time to decorate. I'm super excited because I got a bunch of stuff from IKEA and that was actually really cute. They have like this collection. It's almost like the Christmas collection, but it's really just burgundy, like green and dark blue, which are just really cute tones. So I got a bunch of things off of one item that I particularly love from IKEA and I'll show you guys what I got. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. It's like their sheepskin from IKEA. It's just a furry little rug, something super simple. They were on sale, so with dogs and all, it's hard to find rugs and get something really expensive. So I thought this would be really cool to get where it's not expensive and it's something that we could easily replace if anything were to ever happen. Bunch of pillows from IKEA. There are pink ones. This one's from Target. It's really cute. It's from like the Threshold collection. It is a magenta-ish pillow. It's really bright, but it really goes well with what I'm looking for. I also got a blue, dark blue one. It's velvet. I'm really loving velvet right now, so I thought I'd incorporate some of it. And this is my favorite pillow because this is the one that I'm basing pretty much the whole room off of. So it's got a lot of color, it's got the black, it's got the teal, it's like a little bit of teal, but it's got green and pink and maroon and magenta. There's just a lot of colors in here, so it's easy to play off of those colors and create a whole space that kind of caters to that look. Even more pillows, green, this shimmering gold. These little balls, they're really cute. I like them. They're super simple, but they're kind of different than most of the things that people bring into their home. And I didn't like marbles. I didn't like leaves or anything like that. So I thought these would be a good addition into those little candle holders I got. I got this basket and I'm wondering if I could possibly make it into a light. We'll see. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it'll go well with the scheme of the room, but I think it'd be fun to try. But that's pretty much all I got. I got some stainless steel shelves, some green end tables, and this really cool thing back here. It's a shelf. It's like a little pull-out drawer, kind of like a trash bin that you pull out from a cabinet. But I'm looking to hold all of the mail and the papers that we have in our house, kind of those things that you don't know where to put them. I really want to put some of those items in there and hang those from the wall. So I'm pretty excited to get started, and I can't wait to show you guys. So this room used to be pretty plain. There was nothing in it. There was a lot of my stuff in there. So we cleaned it out and got everything ready. Now we have a really amazing design. I took one pillow and turned it into an entire concept for the room. And I think it turned out really great for my first time remodeling a space. I spent about $300 on the furniture that is new. It came mostly from IKEA and Target, which turned out really great and didn't look too cheap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love if you subscribed, and thank you.